Hi, Mike from Hall Trask Equipment Company. We're currently on our way to Dennis K. Burke up in Chelsea, Massachusetts. Doing my monthly sales call with him, going up to talk to him about Blackmer pumps and some of his future needs and necessities for today.
I'm Ted Burke, president of Dennis K. Burke Incorporated. We are a commercial and industrial supplier of diesel fuel, gasoline, and a complete line of lubricants and diesel exhaust fluid. We're based in Chelsea, Massachusetts, about a mile outside of Logan Airport. The company started in 1961. My uncle Dennis started the company, and 4 or 5 years after he started, my father Ed joined him. The company started in South Boston. We moved to Chelsea for our headquarters location in 1980, and we've been here since. Started off as a local company fueling primarily diesel fuel to emergency response or high service areas, the produce market, meat market industries, companies that needed rapid response time for their requirements. And we've grown from that point forward. We now operate in all the New England states plus New York, as far down south as Maryland. We own and operate our own fleet of trucks, and we're a little different than a traditional fuel and gas company. We really specialize in supplying end users, commercial, industrial, and municipal accounts with diesel fuel. Over the past number of years, we've really grown. We went from a 15, 16 truck company to a 75 power unit company. And as you grow and expand geographically, certain things you need to rely on. And really, the strength of the vendors we deal with is one of the major reasons we've been able to grow. And Hall Trask is our primary supplier of pumps, equipment, as well as services our vehicles, and just fabulous service. So we pull in, they take care of us, to move things forward. When you hang up the phone with them, you know it's going to get done. Just a very, very high degree of comfort that things are going to get the right product, the price is going to be competitive, and the service is going to be top-notch. Over the last 5 or 6 years, we've really grown at Dennis K. Burke, and over the course of time, as we've grown to about 75 power units, we bought stock trucks and have run vehicles with pumps other than Blackmer. And what we found over time is the nature of our business, we just can't afford downtime, whether for a pump or for any other reason. And with Blackmer, we really experienced less pump failures and less downtime overall, so we mandate it as standard equipment on trucks that we build going forward.
The thing about these Blackmer pumps is that they're very easy to work on. You can work on them in the vehicle, or you can bench work on them. I mean, I prefer to work on the Blackmer than a rotary pump or any of those other ones, because you have to take them and put them on the bench. This one here, you can do a diagnosis in the truck just by taking this cover off the Blackmer here. And once you pull the cover off, you can then look at the vanes inside this Blackmer pump and see if the rods are bent or if the vanes are bad. And if that be the case, you just pull the vane, make sure the rod's good, put a new vane in, put it back in service. You know, we found with the competitors' pump, they fail exponentially quicker than a Blackmer pump does. That's why we use Blackmer pumps in our trucks.
So over the years, we've tried different configurations of trucks, pumps, meters, different technology and components along the way. But as we found over the course of the years that the reliability of the Blackmer pumps, it can't be touched. The performance and longevity exceeds what we've found from competitive pumps. So when we build new equipment now, we mandate that Blackmer pumps be included in that build.
PSG, where innovation flows.